Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. SLOs of this lesson are demonstrate use of pronoun antecedent agreement recognizing their relationship. First, we will discuss what are the pronouns antecedent agreement. In our previous lesson, we discussed possessive pronouns, personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and indefinite pronouns. So, you have a very good idea of all these four types of pronouns. So, let's discuss this one here. The pronoun antecedent agreement. The word antecedent means something that precedes something else. In language, it is the word that a pronoun refers back to. Since the pronoun replaces the noun, it has to agree in number or gender. In number like 1, 2, 3, many, some, few, and the gender is, we have a very good idea of gender. Gender refers to whether the person or animal is a masculine noun or a feminine noun. Now look at here. The pronoun which replaces the noun must agree with it in these ways. A feminine pronoun must be replaced a feminine noun. A masculine pronoun must be replaces a masculine noun. A singular pronoun must be replaced a singular noun. And a plural pronoun must replace a plural noun. Feminine pronoun को feminine noun ही replace करेगा और masculine को masculine noun और singular को singular noun और plural pronoun को plural noun. ये examples देखिए आप. Examples are Rahmat hired the man for the job, he knew him personally. अब ही के लिए हम him इस्तेमाल करेंगे, हर नहीं इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ही जो है मैस्कुलिन के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है और हिम भी मैस्कुलिन नाउन के साथ इस्तेमाल होता है. तो यहां पर जो है रहमत नाउन है और इस ही और हिम जो है प्रोनाउन है, मैस्कुलिन प्रोनाउन. द सिंगुलर मैस्कुलिन सब्जेक्ट नाउन रहमत इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय सिंगुलर. लेकिन यहां पर आप ये भी देखना है कि रहमत जो है एक ही बंदे की तरफ इशारा कर रहा है. रहमत क्या है? एक है. तो मैस्कुलिन सब्जेक्ट भी एक ही होगा और उसका प्रोनाउन भी क्या होगा? सिंगल फॉर्म में होगा. He and the singular masculine object noun with object pronoun him here. Look at the second example of feminine noun and pronoun here. Sarah is a good singer. Her voice is sweet. Here, the Sarah is a feminine, refers to a girl, and her singular pronoun will be her. Here, it replaces. The both sentences are related to each other. Here in this sentence, we are talking about the voice of the Sarah. That Sarah is a good singer, her voice is sweet. Now look at the plural pronoun here. For example, boys are playing football. They look tired. Now, boys are plural noun here, and here, look at here, they. They is a pronoun here, the masculine pronoun here. But also remember this, they can use for both feminine and masculine pronoun. So, they is referring to the boys. These both sentences are related to each other. इन दोनों sentences में यहाँ पर boys के बारे में बात हो रही है कि boys जो है फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं वो थके हुए दिख रहे हैं. ठीक है? तो जो हमने यहाँ पर है boys को रिपीट नहीं किया. हम ऐसे नहीं कर सकते कि boys playing football, boys look tired. हमने क्या किया है? boys noun को रिप्लेस किया है they pronoun से. they क्या है? pronoun है. आपने पढ़ा होगा कि pronoun जो है रिपीटिशन को अवॉइड करने के लिए हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Now look at the exercise of it on 36th page. Choose the pronoun that agrees with its antecedent. We have discussed what are the antecedent which replaces the noun or pronoun in the sentence. when computer crashes needs to be fixed immediately. Here computer is a non-living thing. It's not an animal or a person here. We cannot use him or her or you. Yes, it would be it. It refers to the non-living things which have no gender. We can also call it neuter noun. We have discussed about the neuter noun. Neuter nouns are those which have no gender, and in this antecedent noun we will use the pronoun it here for the things. When computer crashes, it needs to be fixed immediately. Look at the second sentence here. If you need help with your grammar, may want to take advantage of this online writing lab. Here the pronoun is you. So what will be the antecedent which referred back to the pronoun? This is the main subject here. We are talking about this you. If you need help with your grammar, yes, the antecedent for the pronoun you will be you here. Very good. If you need help with your grammar, you may want to take advantage of this online writing lab. Look at the third one. Jamal is really popular among his colleagues. Like and respect him. Here the Jamal is subject, the noun here, and you have to use antecedent for the colleagues here, the bold letter here. And here we have another pronoun him. Jamal is really popular among his colleagues. So you have to use that pronoun which refers to the people or animal, to the living things here. The it is not the right option. Her is not the right option because her refers to the singular feminine noun. Their, like and respect. No, it's not appropriate. It's not grammatically correct here. So they will be the right answer here. Jamal is really popular among his colleagues. You have to use the antecedent pronoun here for the colleagues. They like and respect him. The they antecedent refers to the colleague here. Now look at the fourth one. Before student take a test, should prepare adequately. Here the students are noun and you have to choose the right antecedent pronoun here for the students. She, no. She is a feminine noun. We should prepare adequately. He, no. This sentence, this is referring to the students. They, yes, they should prepare adequately. Look at the fifth one. Since the doctor went to the medical store, should know what treatment you need. Here you have to choose the right antecedent pronoun for the doctor here. Since the doctor went to the medical school, you have to choose the pronoun for the doctor here. So the doctor here. Here the both options are correct. Because doctor is a common gender, it can be both feminine and masculine noun. So whatever option you will choose, it will be correct. He or she here. And look at here, the treatment is of you. So the doctor should know. So here the antecedent pronoun for the doctor is he or she. Both are correct. If you know the gender, then you can write he or she. If it's feminine, you can write she, or if it's masculine, you can write he. Sadaf and Asim said that it is raining cats and dogs cannot go outside to play. यहाँ पर सदफ और आसिम कह रहे हैं कि बाहर बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. रेनिंग कैट्स एंड डॉग्स का मतलब है बहुत तेज मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है, तो बाहर खेलने नहीं जा सकते. इट, नो, वी हैव टू persons here, more than one. Him cannot go, no, him can only refer to Asim, her can only refer to Sadaf. So, and it refers to the non-living thing. So, V is the right option here. I hope you have learned the antecedent pronoun and you can apply this in your home task. This is your homework from textbook page number 27. You have to read this poem of unit 3. by Adam Capella. You have to choose all the antecedent pronouns we just read now. Just give it a read and underline the antecedent pronouns in this page here. I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.